Since last 40 years, scientists have been trying to extract DNA from the mummies in Egypt. Now, this has actually gone through with the first full human genome, which has been identified from nearly 4,800 years old individual which has been recognized under the age of pyramid. Now, there were numerous challenges when it was coming to extracting the DNA. One was the extreme weather conditions, which could have actually led to breakdown of the chemical composition of the DNA, the mummification, which could have changed the chemical composition of the DNA, and the modern contaminations to identify the process, which could again have affected the DNA sequence. Now, this was the Nuvaret individual which has been identified. Now, this has been identified south of Cairo on the Nile River. Teeth and bone have been surviving since 1902 after the World War II bombings, and then this was within a ceramic pot. The remains have been found. More importantly, Y chromosome has been identified. Now, this Y chromosome indicates that this was a male, and this has been preserved in the ceramic pot rather than the mummified structures which we originally see. So what has been seen that the studies have confirmed that this person actually died in around 60s, and that was the evidence of osteoporosis and arthritis which have been seen due to weak bones. So bone weakness has been seen as one sign. Now, this could be either because of physical labor or because of sitting over hard surfaces. There could be possible occupations which could have talked about physical markers and the contemporary tombs of this area, but this gives us a very detailed picture specifically of the close proximity of the DNA from the early farmers of the Neolithic period of North Africa. And if we see, the connections have been well established between the ancient North Africa and Mesopotamia with the ancient Egypt civilization. So the timeline was, the first attempt was done in 1985, where the scientists actually talked about DNA sequence from any human, and they were later contaminated and found to be contaminated. In 2017, there was another study which talked about the dating period somewhere between 2000 to 3600 years. However, the recent one which has been discovered is 4800 years old, and Svante Pabo was being awarded Nobel Prize for the work in DNA and sequencing of the Neanderthals genome. So very, very important. Now, this future actually marks a very important understanding of the ancient Egyptian civilization, and understanding the genome sets across the ancient Egypt and its evolutionary framework. So very, very important aspect that we have covered for today. Highly important for your UPSC prelims, the first full human genome identified from ancient Egypt in the name of Nuvaret individual. So very, very important. Thank you.